Let's look at problem number 3 on the study guide. Draw all possible triangles for the given conditions. Clearly mark the side lengths and angles given. All right, we want to draw a triangle with 2 side lengths of 3 and an angle of 45. So that means I have a side, and an angle, and I can place them in any order that I would like. So let's start with my favorite, side, angle, side. I'm going to get out my ruler and my protractor, and I'm going to start by drawing one of my sides. 1, 2, 3 centimeters. I'm going to draw my angle. So I'm going to draw 45 degrees. And I'm going to draw that side 3 centimeters long. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 centimeters and 45 degrees. I'm going to connect my last 2 sides. This is one of the possible triangles. I have a 3 centimeter side connected to a 45 degree angle, connected to another 3 centimeter side. Now let's try side, side angle. That would be 3 connected to a 3 connected to a 45 degree angle. So let's try it. I'm going to draw in the reverse order because it'll be easier. I'll draw a base of 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 centimeters. I'm going to draw a 45 degree angle. Oop, I think I'll need some more room. I'm going to move things down here. I'm going to draw that 45 degree angle. I'm going to keep going farther than I need because I'm not sure where I'll need to meet up yet. And then I'm going to move my ruler until I find 3 inches. And it connects it 3 inches apart. 1, 2, about 3, about right here. This is 45 degrees. This is 3 centimeters. And if I want to, I can erase the extra part of the line that I don't need. This is another option for our triangle. Now, normally there would be another side, side, angle, triangle. We would swap the order of the sides. But in this triangle, both of the sides are 3. So there's not another form of triangle that we can draw. So there are 2 triangles for this construction. Let's do one more condition together. In this condition, I have an angle of 40, an angle of 60, and a side length of 4. I have an angle 40, I have an angle 60, and I have a side length of 4. Let's start with my favorite when I angle, side, angle, where I put the side in between. I'm going to draw a base of 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. And then I'll draw one angle on one side. I don't know where it'll connect, so I'll draw more than what I need. And then I'll draw the other angle, 60 degrees, on the other side. This is one of the options for our triangle. We can see that we have the angle 40 connected to the 4 centimeter side, connected to the 60. If I swap the order, I would just be creating a flipped around triangle. So that is the only triangle in this formation. Now we can do angle, angle, side triangles. I can do 40, 60, 4 centimeters. And I can also do the other way around. I can swap the order of the angles, 60, 40, 4 centimeters. Let's draw each. I like to draw them going this way so it's a little bit easier. Draw my 4 centimeter base. Draw one of my angles as 60 degrees. I don't know where I'll want it to end, so I'm going to draw it longer than I need. And this is where we would slide our protractor along the line to get 40 here. Now mine doesn't quite say that in the same way, so you'll have to trust me here, but we're going to slide our protractor along this line until we connect it at 40 degrees. Come on. So let's see, we're going to do 10, 20, 30, and 40 right here. So that is 40 degrees. We'll find where it connects up. There we go. 40. Overlapped a little bit there, but we got it. All right, let's draw our last triangle over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 centimeter base. I'm drawing it in this order to help me. We're going to start with our 40-degree angle. Draw the line longer than I think I need. And if we're going to do 60 degrees, it's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So this should be 60 degrees from where I left off. This is 40 degrees. This is 60 degrees. And there it is. Those are all of the 3 possible triangles in that situation. Check the solution to see possible triangles for condition 3 and condition 4.